My name is Rita Aesthorpe and I work for SMMT as the Head of International and UK Events. I am delighted to say that we are back in organising UK Pavilion at Automechanika Dubai in October this year. The UAE is a vibrant marketplace and an important hub for businesses across the Middle East, North Africa and South Asia. With a population of over 411 million, there are more consumers across the 17 Middle Eastern nations than in the EU. The UAE marketplace is very important for British luxury and high-performance vehicles, but also there are vast opportunities for firms in aftermarket, as well as new opportunities emerging as the region is looking to diversify beyond fossil fuels. The Automechanika Dubai show is a key meeting place for businesses across the region, with more than 1,000 exhibitors and 40,000 visitors expected this year. I am yet again excited to be working and exploring automotive opportunities in the region, and we invite you to join us at Automechanika Dubai this year.